Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about a place I really like to go on vacation. The place is Cusco, Peru. It's one of the most beautiful cities in my country, full of history, culture, and incredible landscapes. Cusco is located in the Andes Mountains, and the best time to visit is from May to September, when the weather is dry and sunny. When you go there, you can visit Machu Picchu, one of the seven wonders of the world. You can also walk around the main square, explore the Sacred Valley, and visit small towns like Pisac or Ollantaytambo. If you like adventure, you can go hiking, take a train to Aguascalientes, or try local food. The food in Cusco is amazing. You should taste lomo saltado, ají de gallina, and mate de coca tea. It's great for the altitude. I like Cusco because it's peaceful and magical. When I'm there, I feel relaxed and connected with nature and history. It's a perfect place to learn, to explore, and to enjoy life. Thank you.